electric proof of concept vehicle up here at RIDC Armstrong near Katanning. It's near Freeport. We got some acres from them, so this is the first test when it looks this cool. We got CageWRX bumper, roll cage, doors, UTVFX graphics, OMF wheels, Maxxis tires. Got some good aftermarket parts on this thing. It needs tighter springs.
Yeah, 100%.
I'm like not even half throttle right here.
Like flying with the drill. This thing's so fast. You like don't need full power?
I don't think so.
That's just late.
Made this really nice like a couple days ago.
Yeah,
like it was not nice like this. Regen would be so nice.
Oh yeah.
Because we're slowing down fast. Are you good?
Yeah.
Do you need something?
I want to take a video.
All right. Here, take it on my phone.
Ready?
Yeah, go. That S-bend is nuts.
I know.
It's so good. Can record me hitting that S-bend like hauling ass.
Oh yeah, where do you want me to stand?
I'll set you up. I'll set you up.
Dude, this thing is so fast.
It's good. This is a sick trail.
Yeah.
That's making a real nice rut there, like a nice berm.